Well, hello there. It's been a while. We've been busy. We got some updates on the Maiek. Just want to show you a video of sometimes it's just better if you do it yourself. I'll explain. So here's the RFL 18-foot Maiek as it stands. The bottom in black is completely done. I did the black, did the floors, transom, all the webbing. All this is good, great. So like I said, we've been real busy, and I had about a 3-month run at the plant that I had to be at work, and I had no time for this boat. So I thought, well, I'll make a lot of overtime. I'll just take it to one of the new kids on the block, one of the new shops that opened up here local in town, and let them have a chance of just doing the gray right here on the side. And man, I'm gonna tell you what, what a mess. If you can see right here, somebody sanded through the gray. Let's see again, same thing happened there again. And so on. Just lots and lots of, oh no. Wow, that's really rough. That's not polished. Oh man, we touched something here. We faded through, or something happened. Anyway, guys, my point is, I'm not gonna blast these people, but if you're going to charge people and have that and leave big fading gaps in your Gelcoat, you're going to charge me for it, this guy is not going to pay for it. Anyway, so what we got to do, guys, is we got to resand the gray. I got the boat hanging. That's how we hang it. I know I'm going to get blasted by comments. Oh, you shouldn't do it. Yeah, well, been doing it for years. Try it, you'll like it. It works great. Anyway, guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna sand this gray down. We're not gonna take it all the way down to the black. We're just gonna sand it down enough till we knock the finish off of it, and we're gonna remask the boat, and we're gonna tape and gel it and make it like it should be. Like I said, sometimes it's better to do it yourself. All right, guys, enough of that rambling. Let's get to work. Oh, let me show you something new to the family over here sitting. Y'all will like this. That boat's going back to Destin. Wow, what do we have here? What a beauty. 25-foot shearwater. Guys, this boat is immaculate. We just bought this boat. It has a 250 Yamaha saltwater series motor on it. Great looking boat, man. It's a 2005. The older gentleman that owned it took great care of it. He's like me. When it was not out in the water, it was in the shop. And boy, I tell you, we got a deal on this boat. What a great boat. All original, all original. Everything works. Seats are not tore up, nothing's sun damaged. Motor runs wonderful, guys. If you know what the difference between the Series 1 and Series 2 is on these motors, or if that even is the thing, explain in the comments what the difference in the series are, if you know. I haven't really found anything. Of course, I really haven't tried to look, but really hadn't found much. But Garmin GPS satellite, got the T-top, holds 80 gallons of fuel. I mean, just absolutely beautiful, guys. People took care of this one. That's why we bought it. And needs no work. It's crazy. You buy a boat and it needs nothing other than you to get in and put gas in it and go. It's hardly ever the case, right? All right, I'll quit rambling. Let's get to work. All right, so what I'm using is a 6-inch. Got 320 grit prep on here. We're gonna sand this down and start smoothing it out. I'm gonna turn my fan on, blow the dust away. All right, so I'm not gonna bore you with a bunch of sanding video, but if you see the 320 grit and that air sander is taking it down pretty quick. So I'll finish sanding both sides of the boat, and then we'll get to masking, and we'll go through the process of gelling. All right, guys, let's get started. All right, got this side all done. Looks good. One little spot we're gonna go back and put a little filler in. It's a little, I don't know if you can see it right here. It's a little kiss mark in the work, but yeah, picky, but you know, we want it to be right. All right, so we're gonna change pads. We're gonna put a fresh pad on, fresh 320 here, and we are going to sand the other side. All right, let's get started. All right, we got both sides sanded. One thing I like to do is look down the side plane of the boat and look for any high and low. You'll see it to be little lumps and bumps where you've sanded. If you see any, just mark it and go back and sand it down flat with your orbital sander. Those usually work really good on flat spots. All right, guys, so this is gonna be a wrap on this video here. The next thing I'm gonna do, looking for more highs and lows. It all looks real good. Got all the imperfections taken out from what was left behind. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna tape and mask this boat. We're gonna cover up all the black area and the sides here and the gunnel, all this. And then we're gonna shoot the gray. So the black's done, it's beautiful. We did a lot of work on that. All right, guys, this is the end of this video. The next one we're gonna do we'll spray the gel on and we'll wet sand it and buff it. We'll be done with this boat. It'll be time to rig it out. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. If you would, please like and subscribe. Ask any questions, and I'll answer what I can. I appreciate you liking and subscribing. It helps our channel out. We're almost to 1,000. Think about doing a giveaway. Whoever reaches 1,000, I got a gift, and we're gonna do a giveaway for you. So get in there and subscribe if you don't mind. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Have a good one.